Hello, friend, let's warm your soul with homemade lemon coriander soup. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy soup recipe that is perfect for the rainy season? Look no further than homemade lemon coriander soup. This soup is especially great for kids who are suffering from a cold and need a warm and comforting meal. To make this soup, you will need a few key ingredients including ginger, coriander, lemon, chili, carrot, and French beans. These ingredients work together to create a flavorful and nutritious soup that will warm your soul and help you feel better in no time. This soup is not only easy to make but also packed with nutrients that can help boost your child's immunity. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of each of these ingredients. Ginger. Ginger is known for its anti inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It can help soothe sore throats and reduce inflammation in the body. French beans. French beans are a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants that can help boost your child's immunity. They also contain fiber, which can help keep the digestive system healthy. Then, coriander. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, which can help boost your child's immunity. It also has antibacterial properties that can help fight off infections. Then we have carrots. Carrots are rich in beta carotene, which can help boost your child's immunity. They also contain vitamin C, which can help fight off infections. The next ingredient in line is green chili. Green chili contains capsaicin, which can help clear sinus and reduce congestion. It also has antibacterial properties that can help fight off infections. Then we have the main ingredient, that is lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that can help strengthen your child's immune system. They also have antibacterial properties that can help fight off cold and flu viruses. Lemon juice added to any lemon coriander soup recipe is good source of vitamin C and help to promote more white blood cells and antibodies in the blood. This prevents the invasion of various microorganisms and infections, thereby building immunity. In addition, vitamin C in the lemon juice prevents the common cold. The next ingredient is cornstarch and is used as a thickener rather than for its flavor. It helps thicken the soup. The next ingredient is black pepper and some cloves. Black pepper is one of the most commonly used spices worldwide. It's made by grinding peppercorns, which are dried berries. After all preparations, let us start making our soup recipe. Start by heating a pot on medium heat and adding some oil. Once the oil is hot, add some chopped ginger and saute for a few minutes until fragrant. Next, add some chopped carrots and French beans to the pot and saute for a few minutes. These ingredients need not to get cooked fully. They need to be cooked partially. Keep on adding these ingredients one by one and keep stirring. The next ingredient going into the pot is chopped coriander. Add some chopped coriander, then saute for another minute or so. Here the coriander is a flavor enhancer. Add salt as per taste. Next, add green chili, add black pepper and clove powder. Then add some water to the pot and bring it to boil for next 5 minutes. Once the water is completely boiling, you can reduce the heat and add cornstarch paste to it. Let the soup simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes after adding cornstarch paste. After the soup has simmered for a while, it's time to add the lemon juice. These ingredients will give the soup a tangy flavor. Serve the soup hot with some fresh coriander leaves on top for garnish. This soup is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that will help boost your immune system and keep you healthy during the rainy season. In conclusion, if you are looking for a warm and comforting soup that is perfect for the rainy season, try making homemade lemon coriander soup. With its delicious flavor and nutritious ingredients, this soup is sure to become a family favorite. So go ahead and give it a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.